This is the STAKKAbox Utility, a new access chamber for all utilities. It offers a standard and ducted solution in a single multi-purpose system. Ideal for faster installs and safer handling on site. Available in 3 sizes. Each section is 150 mm deep and stacks to your required depth. You can cut ring sections to bridge over or around existing obstacles, all without skilled box builders. You can adapt on site fast without specialist tools. Every part of the STAKKAbox Utility is composite plastic, ring, frame and cover. That makes the product non-conductive, corrosive resistant and built to last. Plus, twin walls and internal ribs give the chamber some serious strength. You can install the STAKKAbox Utility within the hour by simply stacking the ring sections and with no need for specialist backfills. It all means no extra costs. STAKKAbox Utility comes with a new custom tread, the pattern that improves mortar grip and minimizes lateral movement. And with no extra component parts to deal with, your project gets even easier. Once installed in the ground, STAKKAbox Utility is tested to D400 under EN 124 standards. It's recyclable, EPD certified, and made in Britain. All this means that you get ultimate flexibility, reliability, and sustainability. STAKKAbox Utility, one chamber, total utility access. Contact Cubis Systems today to find out more.